Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to open a taptap send account. So when you're in the taptap send website, you just want to click here on sign in or sign up, okay? And then when you're in this page, you just want to click on sign up because you don't have an account yet. Then you put your full name, your email, full name and email, Pioneer Legend. Okay, my email is Pioneer. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put in my email. And I'm going to be signing myself up, guys. Okay, now we're going to receive a link to set a new password for my account. Okay, so I'm going to be checking my email right now really quickly. Alright, so here we go. We have the email from a tap send. So it says, please click the link below to create a password and sign in. So I'm going to click on this link and it is going to redirect me here. And I'm going to be putting in my secret password, guys, okay? Now, you should not be seeing my password right now. So, at least 5 characters, fewer. Okay, there we go. Okay, I have set my password, guys. And now we have literally set up our account. It was literally that easy and simple, guys. Our account has been set up. Literally. We just sign in with Google and set up your account. Now also you can also add other things, guys. You can add a profile photo if you want. You can add your phone number, manage two-factor authentication. But basically, guys, we are basically done. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and as always, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides.